You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word originally from French, meaning suspicion. When something is a bit suspicious, suspect, is how you use this word. Soupçon, okay, so you have soup, the P is not silent for once, soup, son, the C with the little symbol, the CD here means it's a soft C, so it's a S sound, not a K sound. Normally C before the O would make a K sound, but because it has this symbol, it's pronounced like an S, so you could replace the C with an S, soupçon. Soupçon is how it's pronounced in French. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.